Now it will come back to 1 month itself. If both of them agree mutually, then you have that waiting period.
Rape cases are not
there.
going
It
down
is
to 1 month
existing.
now.
We have within 6 months a divorce is
there is a provision
In
that
case
no,
of mutual consent
mutual
divorce.
consent
Has
of
to be in
divorce.
case.
It's just 6 months. You file today, the next 6 months you're through.
But does it happen?
It happens.
Yeah,
It does
it
happen.
doesn't happen.
It
most of the time
happens.
it happens also.
It happens.
They also say
If
for
both the
2
parties
years.
are cooperating and the advocates are cooperating, within 6 months,
No, advocates need not cooperate.
and also,
in fact, one advocate can represent both of them in case of a
Why
mutual
should
divorce.
an advocate cooperate? It is bread and butter. You go to a person saying my husband is beating you, slap a dowry harassment case on him is what they say now, because it has come now. It is like you don't know yourself. You know what? Slap. This will happen. This will. Then he will note down.
But the woman needs to be sensible enough to decide whether to slap or not.
You know, the fact here remains is obviously you go in a state of mind which is not the best. Okay, people make mistakes, and because both parties make mistakes is why they want to get divorced. My idea is, you want to get married, you want to get divorced, that's your funeral. It's an individual's funeral.
Right.
Like we don't have to ask the state or something like that. You tell them, Bozo, come to my house and take the signature. Pandit ji, come, I'm going round and round. I'm saying, kabul, kabul, or nahi, nahi. So the fact here remains, it's one my decision. I'm 18 years old. You've told me I'm 18 years old, 21 years old. That is done. I want to split after 6 months. None of your freaking business. Split ho gaya.
It is
Right.
done.
You know, it is done. Yes, when there are children involved, that's when NGOs come in, that's when counselors
See,
come
there
in.
also what I'm trying to say is that unfortunately when you share a beautiful relationship, I think at least for the sake of the relationship itself, don't become
You know,
dirty.
I mean,
don't become dirty.
Yeah. So, you know,
both of you have kids. You have kids, they are having a beautiful relationship, and let's hope that they continue having beautiful relationship for the rest of their life. But the point is, going back to Dunia Vijay and his wife, they also have 3 kids. There would have been good moments also. There were many bad moments, and that is the reason why they decided to split.
Obviously,
but I'm
there are
sure
3 good moments.
even if
Exactly.
exactly yeah 3 very good moments, and they have got certificates to prove that. So my point is, why spill dirt on each other once you want to be out of it? Just
There's
be
no
peacefully out of
answer
it.
to the why.
the main problem here, for any marriage, to continue, there won't be a preferred.
And I think it's
a
only-
regular wear and tear, the marriage will continue. But if there is extramarital affairs, the
Or
third
violence,
person comes,
or physical violence.
there's sort of a violence is there, then only there will be this thing. And also,
But there also there's no point in
enough-
getting dirty. No, I think both of them are matured. They stayed together for 14 years. They can mutually decide, saying that I'll come and visit the kids twice a week or 3 times a week, and you can send me out with them. I'll give you a house, I give you a car, I give you so much money, insurance done.
That is
Let's
mutual agreement.
Exactly my
Mutually
point.
agreed.
Exactly my
Always
point.
this happens when one person is in a weaker situation. You know
why?
Or
More
one
than the
must
person,
teach the other
Ruby,
person
more than
a
the person, more
lesson.
than the person, it is the mother and the father and the sister and the cousin who are coming and telling you, "Nahi beta, Dunia Vijay, chhodna mat."
Yeah, see, marriage is a social contract.
Yes or
It
no?
is made available not because of 2 people agreeing to do. There are a lot of people whose agreement is required for everyday running of the
Exactly.
marriage.
You have to ask your buwa, your uncle, your chacha, saying that my daughter has to go through divorce.
I
Kya
fed
kare?
450 people in that dharamchala.
What a waste of money and time.
I swear, if you give me the
Okay,
money,
we'll talk about it. We'll talk about it. How to save money during marriage and during divorce. That is something that we'll take up for discussion after this very short break. Stay tuned for that. Welcome back. We are talking about blink and miss marriages. In fact, 30% of marriages these days have pretty much become like blink and miss marriages, because more people are getting divorced than what used to be earlier. And we had a caller, Sushma. Anita would like to answer her question. Anita, please go ahead.
No, she said 12 years back she was thrown out of the house.
Right.
Even now the option is open for her to file for maintenance and also for her child to claim for partition if at all he has any property.
The father.
The father has any property. Or
Even if he's married again,
ancestral-
even if whatever-
ancestral. No,
okay.
she is a legitimate child. So she has the right.
Okay.
So there is nothing for her to worry. She still can approach the court.
Okay,
A
so
good
Sushma, you can
advocate
still
and
approach the court, and if there was an atrocity that happened against you, you can still fight for it
Yes.
right now also.
She
But coming back to the same point, I think all of us, we agree with the fact that as much as you guys are mentally prepared for getting married to each other, you should be or would be mentally prepared to get out of a relationship, and that is the reason why you would knock the doors of a lawyer or of the court. So can't we simplify the whole process by giving the choice to the two individuals involved in a matrimony.
Absolutely, Ravi. See, you've spoken to them, they're a long marriage. You've spoken to us. You've spoken to the eminent lawyer, okay? The fact is, there is nothing like an ideal marriage. There is definitely cause for friction, fights, and it's our individual choices how we have sustained this marriage, whether the
And whether you
storms-
want to sustain it or
and
not.
whether we want to, whether our beliefs are common. We are a lot more. I have a lot more to love him for than I have to hate him for. You know, that is my conclusion in my marriage, and that may not be the conclusion in somebody else's marriage.
But you know what? I
But
would,
they should be
I would
given
like to
the
point out
choice.
one thing, particularly in your case. Now, both of them are from Sindhi community, and somewhere I think you need to thank your community also for having such a beautiful relationship. Because I think Sindhis, I have had some wonderful Sindhi friends. I think they're modern as well as orthodox.
Yeah.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Modern and orthodox, wonderful people, and some lavish dishes that they have. That reminds me of the khakaras that you're talking
So
about.
Khakras are
And,
Gujaratis, they're not Sindhi.
no, not khakaras. What was the other thing that we were talking about?
Sai Bhaji.
Sai Bhaji. No.
Okay, we'll come back to that. Anyway, in your case,
Lovely dishes served in very small portions because
in your case, Ruby, in your case, since both of you are from different backgrounds, I'm sure both of you would have to compromise or come to an understanding or at least be flexible enough to sustain the relationship.
absolutely.
Right? You have to appreciate the fact that he's an Ali, he would follow a certain religion. He has to appreciate the fact that you would follow a certain religion. Both of you are free to follow each other's religion. But you can't denounce and insult the other person's religion
Absolutely.
and hope that both of you will have a nice, happy matrimony.
Absolutely.
Similarly, he as an individual might have a few habits. He might not drink, you might drink. If he has a problem with you drinking and you have a problem with him